Hi there, this is Paul and I'd like to welcome you to Animation Studio. Now, Animation Studio is a revolutionary technology that has been years in the making. It is a brand new, cutting-edge explainer video creation application, meaning not just an explainer video like you've seen before, but full-fledged animated explainer videos that can sell any product or service, and it's super easy to use, drag and drop simple, and every single element is customizable. And not just that, we have fully built-in templates. And by templates, I mean we hired world-class copywriters to write entire scripts, and we got expert designers to craft complete animated explainer videos fully done in many of the hottest niches out there, and with professional voiceovers included for every single template. And all you have to do really is just plug in your logos, edit some text, and you're ready to rock. That's it. How's that for true automation, huh? Now let's say if you want to create eye-catching videos from scratch, let's say you want to go beyond the templates, you can do that too using our revolutionary open canvas technology, where you can now make full-length animated explainer videos with award-winning text-to-speech, visual timeline editor built in, and hundreds of animated characters, scenes, backgrounds, and all the cool elements you will ever need to create blockbuster animated explainer videos. So if you're frustrated in trying to build professional studio quality animated videos, then you're in the right place, because now you can create fully customized animated explainer videos, sales videos, and all kinds of videos fully language customization, meaning you can translate the existing copywriting, the scripts that we include, in any language, and then have that played over in any language or accent of your choice, whether it's male or even female for that matter, using our award-winning text-to-speech technology that is lifelike. Now let's jump right into the Animation Studio app itself, and let me show you exactly why this will be the last animated explainer video creation software you'll ever need. Animation Studio also comes with commercial rights license. This means you can start selling the videos that you create with Animation Studio for upwards of $500 or more each to clients around the world as a video agency or an offline consultant, where the videos that you create can be sold online as well as to offline businesses. Let me show you how you can get big ticket clients really quickly. There was a project posted in Upwork.com, one of the top freelancer websites in the world, and the project had basically a 30-second animated explainer video needs to be created. And if you click on the link here as the example video given, let's click on it, it opens up this particular video.
The benefits of yoga, they're undeniable. Increase strength, gain flexibility, reduce stress, prevent chronic disease and pain, all while connecting with your inner spirituality.
This one was for an explainer video for a yoga studio. So for this particular project, over close to 50 people have proposals on or bid on it. And as you can see here, the bid range is the lowest being $300 up to $1,500, with the average being $950 for this one project. So as you can imagine, animated explainer videos command top dollar online, and they always will be, because businesses will always be looking for new ways to market their products and services, and what better than an animated explainer video that can generate more traffic, leads, and sales in the best possible way by elevating their brand. Now let's check out another similar project. This is an animated explainer video for a dentist, and again let's go to that page, and the video looks something like this.
Has it been more than 6 months since you've been to the dentist? Do you have a nagging tooth problem you thought would disappear but simply hasn't?
And if you scroll down real quick, again, this one has again close to 50 people betting on this project. This one as low of $200 and a high bid range of $1,600, with the average being close to $850 for this video. Not just on Upwork, but if you go to freelancer.com, another top website for freelancers, again, as you can see here, animated explainer video, 30-second animated explainer video. The proposals are anywhere between $766, $832, all the way up to $1,250. So as you can imagine, animation explainer videos are hot and they command top dollar online. Now what if you could create the same level of animation explainer videos, the same professional videos like the one I just showed you, like these, in just 59 seconds or less? I'm in the Animation Studio app, so let's jump right in and let me show you exactly how you can build the same high level of professional studio grade animated explainer videos in 59 seconds or less, the same ones I've shown you. So I have my trusty countdown timer right now on, as you can see on my screen, and let's set up a brand new video project in Animation Studio. The first thing that you will see when you get into the Animation Studio app is all kinds of templates to your left, and when you choose that option, there are a bunch of templates that we have, as you can see here, in a variety of industries and niche markets for you to start using and get underway. So I'm going to choose the dentist template like so, and I've clicked on it and I've activated. So this is how the template looks like. Now the template will also have scenes, and you can add more scenes, you can add additional length to it, and so on and so forth. Now every single template that is built in within Animation Studio comes with pre-built voiceovers, text effects, all the transitions, the animations built in, including the copywriting and all the creative stuff. And all you have to do is make a couple of changes and add a couple of elements, and you're good to go. So let's get started, and I'm going to turn on the countdown timer. So the first thing that you will see right here is options for the template itself, right? So if I play it.
Has it been more than 6 months since?
So again, the 6 months can be changed. So I say it's been over 6 months since I visited a dentist, or I can even change it to it's been a while since I visited a dentist, right? So you can change that over. So basically every area where this text element is can be fully modified by you. You can even add additional text by going into the text option and clicking on add text. So if we go to the next part,
Contact our office to schedule an appointment.
So when it says contact our office, you can just put any logo for any business, right? So I just go to image, I'll just upload a logo right here, and it is pretty big, so I'll just use the slider here to reduce the size, and boom, I can just place it right here, okay? And that's it, really. So for instance, we can go to different scenes. So let me turn on the countdown timer right now so you can see it. So while it's playing, again, we can go to different scene number 2, and then again do the same process, okay? To change any text element, we can drag this slider to say how long we want that text or any image or any animation to appear or disappear, and so on. And again, the same procedure is for the call to action. So if you want to add a quick call to action, such as call us now and the phone number, just click add text, and then we can just change the color of it, and then you can just increase the size using the slider here, and boom, you're set. So my countdown timer shows 10 seconds, so let's play it. All you gotta do next is just click on export and click on export option here, and your video will start rendering. As you can see, even with explanations, it took me less than 59 seconds to create a full-fledged professional animated explainer video. Other awesome features include the revolutionary open canvas technology, where you can go beyond the templates and create unique videos from scratch using all these preset characters, animation sets, and backgrounds and all that good stuff. And to give you a true unfair advantage, you can even reach global audiences with just a couple of clicks by converting all your videos into multiple languages using our lifelike text-to-speech engine. Again, let me give you an example. Let's say you want to translate this entire video, convert it over into Spanish, and reach a different market altogether. You can do it with just a couple of clicks. On top of that, this gives you serious edge by driving more global traffic, leads, and sales for your business and your clients' businesses as well. And this will make it an irresistible offer to your clients because you can help them reach global audiences with ease. So let me play how this sounds like.
Someone is getting married. This can be one of life's most exciting times, but it can also be one of the most stressful.
All you have to do is choose either the female or the male voices, and then I'm just going to choose the male, and then this little slider where it says convert this into Spanish or whatever language using text-to-speech, I'm just going to turn it on. Now, by the way, this is an award-winning text-to-speech technology, the world's best. So, we are done. That's all. It took us a second. So, let's play it.
Este puede ser uno de los momentos más emocionantes de la vida.
Now, let's try French, for example. Let's go to language, choose French right here, and let's just choose a voice. We'll choose Leah, French female, and boom. Just convert it over, one button, and let's play it.
Cela peut être l'un des moments les plus excitants de la vie, mais il peut également être l'un des plus stressants.
Or how about Portuguese, for example?
casar. Este pode ser dos tempos os mais emocionantes da vida.
How cool was that? Now you could compete with any other video agency or video creator out there because you have the ability to create unlimited versions of that same video in unlimited different languages very quickly in just a few seconds and charge your clients the same price as someone will be doing just one video. This incredible unfair advantage will completely crush your competition. So now that you know the true power of Animation Studio, I look forward to seeing you on the inside so you can start using Animation Studio software to grow your business.